Guys, on my other video I messed up because he pressed the red button and I didn't want him to, and it made me stop the video. I'm sorry, guys, but here's the part 2, I guess. So here it is, the slime, and I was gonna mix it, and always add this and slime. Sorry, guys, that was just poo. So let's see. I need a holder for my camera. Sorry, guys, it's gonna get dark. I need to turn on the lights. I'm a freaking idiot. Got a gun on me. Okay, guys. I can't go in my room with slime. Just go in the kitchen again. Walking back and forth. Everywhere is such a mess. They clean up. Okay, hold on, guys. Hold on. Okay, guys, can you see? I can see myself.
Oh, I have more glue right here.
It looks dark. Over here is my lighter. This side. Okay, guys. I'm gonna back y'all up, so just my thumb in the way. Oh, it's gonna fall. Okay, got it. Okay. Sorry, guys. My brother.
Ah. Who is annoying?
You.
Be quiet.
Sure.
So why are you sending that to them?
Don't know.
Mom? Well, you're not. You're sending it back.
Perfect. I want it really. Mike, can you give me it? No. Oh yeah, here. We're going to be testing my slime. I need to play with it a lot.
Me too.
Or for it to work. Slime. Just the word slime gives me a chill. Slime. Let me know in the comments and subscribe so I know that you had slime before. Let's get 100. No. Yeah. 100 subscribers.
100,000.
If we can do that, I'll make more slime and probably sell these slimes for free. You might get them. Probably might sell them. I have like 1,000 slimes.
Get that
Rich with slime. But shut up. Who's the one making the video here? So you need to step up. Stop acting like in the background. So when I'm posting a video, Bubby, you have to be quiet, okay? No one wants to see you. Guys, and if you want to see my brother, make sure you hit the like button. Okay, guys? That he's annoying.
Hit that ding ding button right now if you think our video is cool right now. Okay? Put peanut butter on her face.
Shut up, Bubby.
Shut up, boy.
That's why you're not making any more of my videos.
Yeah.
I was gonna make a video with you, but never mind. Sorry, guys. I have to cover this up because my...
Yes!
I have to make part 3 because my annoying brother. So, bye guys. I'll make another video. See you guys in a few minutes. I'm gonna, right after I make this video, cause this is already like a long time since I've been making this video. It took me an hour to make this slime. Now I'm just getting it out. So, not an hour, like a couple of minutes. 30 minutes or so. So bye!